How to check Costo City Card statements online. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be showing you how to check Costco City Card statements online. So first thing first, just simply head over to your any web browser and just search in for Citibank or city.com, which is the official website of Citibank. And to view your Costco City Card statements online, you will first need to sign in to your City online account. So just tap on the sign in button over here and just enter your registered user ID as well as your password. So make sure all of your details are correct and just click on sign in. And once you do all of that, you just need to find the statements and documents section within your account dashboard, and you should be able to view your statements online and even download it as a PDF. And if you need older statements, there will be a section to request them, and if you requested older statements, you can check the status of your request. And if you ever encounter any issues or need further assistance, you can always contact City customer service via the link provided on the Google or from their official website as well. So that's it for today guys. I hope this video was informational. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one.